Hello everyone. Today we will fold the Diplodocus. First, fold these two corners in half. Then fold. Fold these two corners in half. Open. Turn it over. Fold the top and bottom in half. Then fold. Fold the left and right sides in half. Then fold. Turn it over. Pinch here with both hands. Fold like this. Form a small square. Tidy it up. Align the side with the middle. Align the side with the middle too. Fold this triangle down. Turn it over. Align this edge with the middle. Align this edge with the middle too. Turn it over. Unfold. Unfold this too. Pick up this paper. Fold it like this. Put it down. Turn it over. Open it. Lift the top layer. Fold it like before. Put it down. Form the shape. Pick it up. Pinch the two corners with both hands. Pull to both sides. Then gather in the middle. Fold this corner to the left. Fold this corner to the right. Pinch to form a corner. Press it down. Turn it over. Fold here to the left. Fold here to the right. Pinch to form a corner. Press it down. Form this shape. Fold this up. Fold this edge to the right along the line. Pick it up. Fold this over. Fold this edge here. Fold this edge here. Okay. Then unfold. Align this edge with the middle. Align this edge with the middle too. Fold to the right. Rotate a bit. Find the line between these two points and fold down. Fold this corner inward. Fold this corner inward. Rotate a bit. Fold up. Pick it up. Press here with your left hand. Press down with your right hand. Tidy it up. This part. Open here. Press down with your right hand. Put your left hand in. Press down with your right hand. Turn it over. Open here. Press with your left hand. Fold down with your right hand. Form a symmetrical shape. Look here. Fold inward. Fold this side the same way. Now form the shape. Open here. Fold up along this line. Turn it over. Fold this side the same way. Fold here down. Turn it over. Fold this side down. Turn it over again. Fold along this line. Unfold. Fold down. Fold up again. Form this shape. Open from here. Fold these two corners inward. Fold this edge inward. Fold this edge inward. Fold forward to form the head. Unfold. Fold the front triangle inward. Then fold the front triangle outward. Fold this part down a bit. Turn it over. Fold this side the same way. Okay, turn it over again. Pinch here and fold inward. Fold outward again. Okay, now our diplodocus is done. Stand it up and take a look. Alright, thanks for watching. If you like our video, please subscribe to us.